Nah, I'm walking up right now though.
Turning up. What's the deal? Good to see you. What up? What up? What up? Yeah, yeah.
Yo, I gotta drop the Bakersfield tonight, so that's wrong. Yeah.
Bakersfield.
Nah, he got a whip now, bro.
Whip
now, he
acting.
He's trying to come out to. I'll say you come out to that movie, man.
I was thinking about it. I don't know. We need an intro though. I need you to know, Scout, you're gonna have to be active, man.
Bro,
This is one gotta make 20 minutes last forever. Like, oh, I remember that 2024 roll out LA.
Gonzo gonna jump in the crowd.
Oh God!
Crazy. I said that I never jumped in the crowd at Rolling Out. This is gonna be a year though.
It's gonna be here.
With the Joels on and everything.
Absolutely not.
Keep your foot on their neck.
Brother! MC, you gotta turn it up. I'm too loud.
On your Rolling Loud set?
Hey, you got an ad on a Rolling Loud set? I'm whooping your ass out. Because what? We finna act that. We catching the friendly on stage. You hear the ad? That's crazy. Up until 1 up.
Up until 1 up, that's about our first 10 minutes.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
How many songs is that too?
that's 6 songs.
That's what I'm talking about.
Start with the playlist, okay. What?
Y'all send Mr. Gonzo to have a nice day.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My black for my cup with my wrist. Swinging our kids.
When in LA, get that wine, you heard me.
So I got some bad man. I made myself proud. Yeah. Oh, you recording?
You know he did fresh off the wake up? Went to the skate park with his
This is a great fucking feeling, bro. You and Stella and me, the trio.
Gonzo. You already know part 2 of this.
Second string drummer for the church.
Right, man.
private lessons, sir. Thank you very much. Along with piano and along with guitar, I'm self-taught.
I did want to
You're-
take piano lessons this year.
Really?
No, the f you weren't.
You should do piano lessons.
I wanted to do a new hobby, oh God.
You should.
42 is big casa. 42 give you 2020 vibes. EDD vibes.
2020. Zool, that's when they.
I fuck
Here,
with
let's
you.
drink on that. Drink that cup. Here, Stella, you got to drink tonight. Alright, first and foremost, I want to thank everybody being part of this motherfucking journey. Tomorrow's rolling loud. We're going to make 20 minutes feel like a lifetime.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? There's no iron team, but there's an iron, and I'm going to do what the f I want to do when I
There's an and too if you take out
your
the.
own scribble, your own time, f***ing up my toes. Everybody been with y'all, everybody right here for about 5 years plus, you know what I'm saying?
Oh God.
Everything's for a reason, so I'm only doing this now because tomorrow I'm not gonna be in my right mind. I appreciate y'all. Let's get it.
Yeah, roll out weekend, let's go.
It's gonna be crazy. I thought about what you gonna play.
Oh my God.
Yeah. What you got for me? You know, it's the first day of school. Lay out his outfit. Can't wait to go to school. Right.
Look, you can put me in the film. You know this all cat like brains. All this water, I can show you how to swim. Let this touch on the third ring. You cannot hold it, we fucking can. You want that I'ma look to the wind.
Word the bro.
What?
Word the bro. Word the mom.
No, to your mother.
Word to my dad.
Word to my dad.
Bad freak out here right now.
Okay, alright. He's
Word.
Don't make me get on y'all.
He said he's birthday.
Just want us to pull up, do our and get the
Yeah, unless you're like Chris Brown, like you know what I mean, like that type of caliber, then
It's not even staying though.
true.
Really, cause they switched the trailer though. So once you get done,
Yeah.
they clean out. It's for the next artist.
Yeah.
So you don't even got nowhere to kick it, like.
Yeah.
Like how it used to be.
And.
Hey, Christopher!
He said, I don't know how y'all get ready for shows. I'm about to show you. I'ma show you. I'ma show you. He think he old, but I'ma show you how to really do this shit. I'ma show you.
Go with it, baby.
I'ma show you again. If I don't go borrow, it's because I went to jail. And I'm staring there for a weekend, I'm catching fade. I'll be out Monday.
Hey, once I put the shades on, I get activated. Once I put the shades on, I get activated. Once I put the shades on, I get activated.
Same old shit.
You trying to say you ain't supporting nigga, you feel me?
Drop that bag in the level of me.
They just killed the whole vibe, bro. Yeah,
But it's all good, cause we still gonna turn that up.
press or nothing.
Hey,
Just don't leave that in here.
cause I'm still
Bro, they pissed me the f off, gang. They did some weird shit. We could have been in here.
I know what you're talking about. I said y'all gotta come.
Yeah.
Why y'all going this way? This is where we need to go.
Oh, no.
Yeah, nah, he too cool. Bro, that's
They got
crazy.
us f***ed up in this motherfucker.
You got the camera on me, I got the camera on you.
Thank you very much. Respect. Thank you.
Oh! You ready? Come on!
Once again, AZChike.
Bravo. Gonzo.
Oh man, hey look where Chisel done made it. Look, show him. Nigga, like, bruh.
How many of us have you?
And he brought me. And he brought Bobo.
What's up, f***ing man?
Yeah. And today I found out that you fools are paying $2.75 a line. Yeah. I got hoes, I got bricks, I got guns, I got licks, I got dick back on the bitch. But if it's one thing you don't forget.
the music. My eyes play my I make them hits, I heard they rockin' too. Think he got expensive, guess it's time to do some. Really on my take a glimpse, I can't miss. Rich getting rich and taking trips. What expense, tripping off a broke as a hip, barely paying rent. My time well spent, these ain't no wimps, they do it off the strip. Ain't laughing with you, getting laughed at, real dog. All my bosses, they gotta be sharp, you wanna stab that deep with it. You must be silly, playing bitch tag with my drill, count 20 Mississippi. Make it fold like I'm 10. Once I hit his king, think he on my level, I gon' tell him.